James, hello. Single ka pa? Unfortunately, hello lang ba? And I'll touch yours. JR. 13. Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon na kayo? How old are you guys? Kili-kili reveal 100. Eva Lawrence. Shout out. Eva Lawrence. 40. 30. Oh, hello, Zani. Tipo ni Lawrence na nanonood. Carbon po ba? Hindi. Ano ba yung carbon? Hindi ko nagigets. Pag sinasabi nilang carbon, di ba silicone ang nilalagay sa suso? Follow back. Sige na. Mandeli. Vincento. Thank you. Hello, Yuno. Hello, Wise. Follow niyo ako sa Instagram. Followed you. What's your nationality? Ibig sabihin ng carbon loading, masarap malaki. Ah! Yung rectang ibig sabihin. I'm from Imus, Cavite, Philippines.
But the music that defined your year definitely deserves
Taga
to be
saan ka
shared.
po? Yeah.
Check out your Spotify rap.
Imus,
to discover
Cavite,
and share
Philippines.
brag-worthy stats
Hello,
for all
Jeff
songs,
Chea.
artists, and podcasts you've had on repeat. And who knows? Once everyone sees your
Hello.
impeccable taste, they may even give Picklebass a
Patugot,
try.
hello. ID number, Jetboy. Hello, Mac. Mikey. Mystery J. Aki, Fatboy. Shadow Fox, anak ng tupa. Hello. Patugot. Oh, yeah. I'm from Philippines. Yeah, I'm blessed with beauty, but not with men. Follow back po sana. Okay. Oh, Philippines. Yeah, Philippines. Saan sa Philippines? Imus, Cavite po. Jepo. Anong age mo, Lods? I just turned 28. Does age matter? I just turned 28. I'm in my late 20s already. No, I'm not a student. I'm in my late 20s. Unbutton 1K. Content seller, no? Wait, isa-isa lang ha. Hello, Vanya. For real? Yeah, I'm in my late 20s. Nagpapa-avail ka pa? Wala po. You're only 20? 28. Dami, gu. Isa kang buhay na patunay. 28 ka na? Yeah, hard to believe, yes. 28 na ako. Ah, wala naman yan sa edad. Anong pinakamasarap na pwede sa'yo, idol? Gusto ko yung Fly Together. Yun, masarap yun. May jowa na ba? Wala akong jowa eh. Hello, Ice. Loki, ikagagalit ba ng kahoy kung sisibakin kita? Ang galing ah. Ganyan ang mga pick-up line. Bakit? Mataas kasi ang standards ko sa lalaki eh. Kaya hindi ako nagkakajowa. Besides, regla ka ba? Bakit? Kasi, it's not like I don't date around. I do date. I have talking stage, mga ganon. Like, I have a lot of guys that I entertain in the past. Pero, it's just that, pag may nakita akong red flag from the start, I don't talk to them anymore. I don't entertain them no more. I cut ties. Ganun. Medyo mataas yung standards ko. There's this guy that I met sa Facebook. He's not my mutual or anything. I don't know him completely. Nakadate ko siya sa labas. Tapos, in the first meeting, tinatanong niya kagad ako kung gusto ko mag-motel. So, yun. Out na yun. Pag ganun. Danes na yun. Kina-cut off ko na pag ganun. Pag mataas standard na pupunta yun sa tambay. I'd rather be single. Kesa naman magsayang ako ng oras sa fuckboy lang. Hello, madam. Uncle. Pero, yeah, I do date around. I entertain. I actually have nakaka-talking stage, ganyan. Pero hindi ako nagkakajowa kasi nga, I don't know, lapitin siguro ako ng mga bata. May madalas kasi mga nag-ano sa akin, approach sa akin, usually younger. So, yung guy na na-meet ko na yon, he's actually 26, maybe around 27 now. Madali lang kasi yan eh. Madali lang sabihin na mabait. Hanap mo sa lalaki, gwapo or mabait. Madami naman mabait sa umpisa. Hindi pa ako nagka-boyfriend ng tomboy. May pera, trabaho, gwapo. Totoo ba? Hi, hack. Wala naman ako sa financially stable. I don't mind if a guy is financially stable or not. Because he is his own person. I am my own person. I can make money. Ang akin lang, gusto ko talaga yung may common shared goals. Tapos, I think, I like it kapag yung guy talagang sobrang manly. I'm really into masculine type of men. Someone who can actually handle me. Kasi I have a strong personality. I'm hard to handle. And, you know, malaking bagay sa akin yung basta hindi ako papabayaan. Ganun. Hindi ka pa nagka-boyfriend. I had to. Huwag mong gagawin na isang bagay na ayaw para di ka magsisi, right? I think I'm old enough to be wasting time. Kaya nga, dalawa lang naging boyfriend ko, pero hindi ako basta-basta na yung basta-basta lang. Kasi I had to, pero siguro matagal ako mag-heal. Ewan ko lang. Kasi parang hindi ko talaga na-feel na parang basta na lang ako mag-ganyan. Kung ano yung pain na naramdaman ko with my breakups, talagang iniino ko talaga yun sa loob ko. This is what I've been through. Hindi ako basta susugal sa relasyon na alanganin, mga ganun. So, yeah. Two at the same time? No! I had 2 boyfriends in the past. I don't mind sa age talaga. Kaya nga, sabi ko, usually lumalapit sa akin younger men. Ako na yun, idol, pero hindi ako masculine. John Lloyd type lang katawan ko. Hindi, I mean, masculine personality. It's not about the looks. Your policy is prenuptial agreement? No. I don't mind. I don't mind talaga. If a guy is financially stable. Kalokohan. Hello, Kings. Hello, Jinxman. Thank you sa mga nag-follow. Guys, follow nyo din ako sa Instagram ko. I recently did a cleanup on my Instagram. Pero I think it's useless. Kasi nagpapa-follow na ulit ako sa Instagram. Okay lang po ba ma-follow back? Sure. Ilang taon huling boyfriend? Matagal na kasi. Matagal na ako nag-boyfriend. Pero sa past, ang history ko, isang 6 years, isang 1 year. Yun na yung history ko ng relationship. And may ini-enjoy ko yung independence ko right now. Like being single and everything. Pero yun, if the right guy comes, I don't mind naman. Pero alam niyo yung hindi basta-basta kasi na eto na, jowain ko na to, piliin ko na to. Kapag di ko naramdaman na siya na hindi ako basta-basta, hindi ako basta-basta susugal. What's your age idol? 20. How about if the guy is poor? I believe with the right mindset, any man can be rich. Follow back. Ayan. Pina-follow back ko naman. Yan, lahat na kayo pina-follow ko, lahat na makita ko. Ayan. I want to know you better, idol. Thank you. Dapat yung papakasalan ka. Of course, we always have the mindset na pag siya yung jujuwain mo, siya na yung gusto mong pakasalan in the future. But to talk so early about it kind of makes me feel ick. I mean, I have it in mind. Getting married is what I have in mind. Pero, like, parang nakakagulat pagka napag-uusapan agad early in the relationship. Parang nakaka-ick, ganun. Kasi it should just come naturally. Hindi siya basta na, hindi ako naniniwala na meron bang ganun na when you first met this person, you'd be like, siya na yung pakakasalan ko. Because I'm not like that. Like, I do felt it with my ex, pero matagal, mga 3-4 years ganyan. That's when I felt like, I think he's the one, like, I wanna marry him. Ganun. Pero, I don't think na kapag ka, have that intention to marry, pero I don't think na early in the relationship mas makagad. It's just what I want to marry. Hello, Starlight. I want to romance slowly. Hello, Bibi Yaka. Yun nga na-feel ko ngayon. Nakita kita. Nako, libog lang yan. 1K nga isang button. Dali. Kasi magki-Christmas naman eh. Hello, Mr. B. Dami nyo naman. Wait lang ha. Nagpa-follow back pa ako. River, hello! Ganda mo mag-smile. Feeling ko nga super haggard ako. Sobrang